Good morning, everybody. Today is January 10th, 2020, and I would like to talk about investments in the stock market for this year. My new recommendation is the company called Infosys. It's being traded under the stock ticker INFY at only $10 a share. Why Infosys? Well, Infosys is number 2 IT company in India. It actually employs 24,500 people, mostly software engineers. Just last year, they hired new 7,000 people and increased their workforce by almost 20%, or 30%, sorry. And this signifies quite a bit of increase in the business because they just reported the financial results for the fourth quarter, and their profit went up for the year 24%. They also predict that 2-digit growth in terms of percentages profit for the next 2 or 3 years. For this last quarter, the quarterly profit went up around 9.6%, while the revenue went up by 8%. The reason for Infosys business to grow so rapidly is that right now we have a shift in software development business, where you probably heard that a lot of software is being ran from the cloud, which means that developers are not really tied up to their machines or their servers, and physically they could be located anywhere in the world. Obviously, India offers much lower cost of software development than, for example, United States. Sometimes the rates, hourly rates, could be 5 times cheaper in India than in United States. So there's a lot of companies who are shifting or outsourcing their software development efforts to India, to companies such as Infosys. Also, Infosys is developing quite a bit of software now for the Indian government, and especially for the defense sector. They gained quite a bit of expertise by developing software for the United States. So now they are basically carrying over this experience and this knowledge for the Indian internal needs, and providing services for local government, local businesses. Another interesting shift in the market is that a lot of IT companies from Silicon Valley, from Seattle, New York, and actually a lot of financial companies such as investment banks, insurance companies are opening offices in India because they more and more rely on software solutions for their business, and especially companies such as investment companies, banks, and the insurance companies that need to crunch a lot of data, analyze a lot of different scenarios, and process basically a lot of digital information. And it makes sense for them to move to India because there's basically a large pool of software developers willing to work for much less money. So when they enter the country, one of their first movement is to go to local IT providers such as Infosys, and to give them work, at least as a startup efforts, before they open their own operations. So again, Infosys is a great stock to buy for 2020. Here's the information, traded under the ticker INFY at only $10 a share, and it's a great buy. If you would like to know what to do with the rest of actively traded 5,000 stocks in the stock market, please download our app by going to the website 2stx.com, and it will take you to Apple App Store, where you could download, install, and run our apps for iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV. If you would like to see other video recommendations with other stocks to buy, please visit our channel by going to the website gotyoutube.com, and it will take you directly to a bunch of videos that we uploaded for stock recommendations. And last but not least, please visit our Facebook page, where you could talk to the users of our apps and see other interesting posts and videos. And our Facebook page is available via the website facebook3.com. It will take you directly to our page, where you could see a lot of interesting posts, video recommendations, and talk to our users of our apps. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading.